Namaste everyone. We are from Government Degree College, Khairtabad, Hyderabad. From the Department of Physics, we have done the project under my students and the guidance of me and Chandana, Assistant Professor of Physics from Government Degree College, Khairtabad, on solved physics approach.
Hello, I am Anish Vachania studying BSc final year in GDC Khairtabad. I am extremely interested in physics and hence me and my friends have chosen physics project that is solved physics approach for Jignasa 2021. Now I am going to tell you why we have chosen this project. In our SEM 4 practicals, we have done experiment on finding the dispersive power of crown glass prism where we measure the refractive indices for different wavelengths. Now we have chosen a hollow prism filled with salt water solution to determine the wavelength. Now let us know the importance of salt. Salt is essential for life and saltiness is one of the basic human tastes. Salt is the oldest food seasoning which we are using till today, and it is also used in the preservation process while making pickles, etc. What is salinity? Salinity is nothing but the amount of salt present in water, and theory shows the ocean has about 35 grams of salt per liter, which means the salinity rate is 3.5%. And the biggest question is, how do we measure the salinity? We use different methods to measure salinity, and refractive index is one such method. What is refractive index? It is defined in scientific terms as the ratio of velocity of light in air by velocity of light in a medium. In other words, refractive index is one of the most important properties, optical properties which plays key role in many areas of material sciences with reference to thin film technology and fiber optics. The general formula of refractive index is given as mu is equals to C by E, where mu is the refractive index, C is the velocity of light in a vacuum, which is 3 into 10 to the power of meters per second, and V is the velocity of light in a medium. Now let's discuss about the relation between refractive index and salinity. The relation between refractive index and salinity is given as the refractive index is one such kind of an optical property which directly depends on the salinity of a salt water. Now, refractive index and salinity. The refractive index of a salt water is directly proportional to its salinity at a particular wavelength. Now let's discuss about the objectives of our problem. We, the physics students of GDC Khairtabad, have taken various edible salts and prepared various concentrations of its salts to prove that 1. The refractive index is directly proportional to its salinity, and 2. As the refractive index not only depends on the concentration of solution, it also depends on the composition of the salts I've taken. My friend Uday will explain you the significance of this problem. Thank you.
And I will explain the objectives of our project. My name is Uday Kiran. Now I am going to explain why we have chosen this problem, the significance of this problem. The apparent image of an aerial object viewed from below the water surface appears small shift in object. The image of an object above the water surface appears smaller because of refractive index. The angle of line of sight changes from viewer's target. From the figure, target 1 is the apparent image and target 2 is the real image. But we spray on the target 1 because of light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, bends away from the normal because of refractive index. And used in sonar. What is sonar? Sound navigation and radiation. When sound waves travel in water, then the velocity of sound waves decreases with saline water. The correct concentration of ether type additives in aviation fuel and the icing inhibitor tested by the refractive index, especially in rockets, and also used in beverage industries. The amount of sugar in salt quantified by the refractive index. Figure shows a person above the water surface sees the apparent position of the image of fish, but actual image of the fish is below water surface. That's the reason why we have chosen this problem. We will explain salt solution preparation.
My name is Sriman. The required equipment to determine the refractive index: optical spectrometer with movable telescope and movable collimator and adjustable slit and rotational prism table. Spectrometers have one main scale, two vernier scales. In place of crown glass prism, we take hollow prism. We take mercury lamp as a source of white light and magnetic stirrer. For exact measurement, we use digital balance and distilled water and different types of salt compositions like Tata salt. For solution preparation, take a small quantity of salts, weigh using the digital balance and note the reading. Dissolve in 100 ml distilled water. Mix until it forms homogeneous solution. And using a syringe, inject the solution into hollow prism. Our solution will be ready. Now my friend will explain calibration of spectrometer.
I am Shivakumar, studying in BSc MPCS, final year in GDC Hyderabad. Now I will first it should be adjust arrow, then vernier V1 00 and vernier V2 0180 alignments. Then it should be coincident with crosswise. By using spirit level balance the prism table, then I kept the solution filled in handle prism is kept on the prism table. To move the telescope and observe the spectrum. Now I will take the green frequency here. Then I take the reading vernier V1 and V2 across in V1 and V2. By rotating the prism table any one of the direction, I get the angle of minimum deviation readings in V1 and V2. My friend will be explaining calculation part.
My friend already explained how to determine the angle of minimum deviation. Now I explain how to calculate the refractive index of prism by using this formula. Refractive index mu is equal to sin A plus dm by 2 by sin A by 2. Here dm is the angle of minimum deviation and A is the angle of prism. Here angle of prism A is equal to 60 degrees and angle of minimum deviation is measured by my friend. After substituting this angle of prism and angle of minimum deviation A and dm values in refractive index formula, we got mu value, that is refractive index value. Here we done some concentration of salt, that is 0%, 2%, 4%, 6% and 8% of concentration of salts. The concentration of 0% we got 1.332, that is for pure distilled water. At concentration 2% we got 1.337. As you observe these readings, concentration increasing, the refractive index also increased as shown in the graph. Here we observe the graph is between concentration and refractive index. The refractive index increasing with respect to the concentration. This is what we proved. And also the refractive index depends on composition. At 2% concentration of salt, we got 1.339 refractive index. And at Tata sodium light salt, at 2% concentration of salt, here we got refractive index 1.337. Here we observe the composition change at same concentration of salt, we got different refractive index values. We have done 4 types of salt with different composition. Further, my friend Viresh, continue this.
Viresh of Third BSc MPCS GDC Hyderabad. I will explain the conclusion part of this project. My friends, explain about the experiment what we have done in our physics lab. We have already done the experiment of finding the refractive index of a coronal graduate prism in our 4th semester. So we used that experimental setup in this project to find the refractive index of a salt by using a hollow prism. Because salt is essential for human life and saltiness is one of the basic human tastes. We have done this experiment by using these types of salts. From this experiment, we conclude the following based on the analysis of the results obtained. The refractive index is increases with increasing its salinity, and also the refractive index is not same for the edible salts, which shows that the refractive index depends upon the composition of edible salts along their concentration. We have completed our project successfully by using the references of International Journal of Mathematics and Computer Sciences and Wikipedia of some websites, etc. I extremely thank to our supervisor madam, principal sir and Commissioner of Education, CCA members for giving this opportunity to participate in this innovative project and making us to think creatively and broadly. Thank you.